In this video, I'll show you how to create tags in Asana. Once you are on your Asana account, there are two ways to create tags. The first way is by creating them through your task, and the second way is by creating them through the project section. Now, let's say we have here a task. Now, as you can see on task number 2 on the right-hand side, we actually already have a tag set up. Now, let's say we want to add a tag to task number 1. So just simply click on a task. Once you do, the details will automatically pop up, which will look exactly like this. And from here, you want to head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, simply click on the 3 dots for more actions. And at the bottom, you want to choose the third option, which is add tags. Once you do that, the tag section will automatically pop up. And in order for you to create a tag, what you need to do is just simply type it. So let's say that this will be my task. And once you type your tag at the bottom, simply click on create tag for my task, and it will automatically create that tag. And at the bottom, you can even color code it into your preference. Now, the shortcut in adding a tag is by simply pressing tab and then T. That will open up the tag option again. As you can see, we have created a tag and it will pop up in here. You can also add multiple tags within one task. And if you click on exit here at the top and right corner, it will also pop up in here. What you can also do is add this within your project. So on the left-hand side, simply click on projects. Now that will open up the list of all of the projects in which you have created within your Asana account. It will look exactly like this. What you need to do next is simply head over to the project in which you want to add a tag to. Let's say I want to do this on my first project. Now, once you were on your project, you just want to simply hover your mouse on a task. Let's say I want to create a new tag for new employees. So in here, I will just simply add the tag, click on the task. Now a pop-up will show on the right-hand side. From here, head over to the top and right corner again, click on the 3 dots for more actions, and at the bottom, click on add tags. From here, we will set this as a new employee, and at the bottom, we will create this tag. And once it's done, we want to create a color code, let's say purple, and it will automatically be added. Now, whenever I open up a new task, let's say task number 3, on the right-hand side, if I press on Tab T in here, it will automatically show up the exact tag in which we have created on the new employee section. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.